Hey, I'm Emily and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the perfect gift idea for Stanley lovers. I'm going to show you how I turned this regular Stanley into something really nice and personalized using my Cricut. Let's get started. So this is the color Stanley that I'm going to be using today. And I was asked to personalize it with this nice bright red vinyl. So here is what I'm going to be putting on either side of the Stanley, and the script font was just a little bit too thin, so I decided to make it a little bit thicker. So I'm going to go up to offset, and then I'm just typing in 0.01 just to make it a little bit thicker, and then I'm clicking apply and selecting all and then uniting them together. And if you want a more in-depth tutorial on how to make text thicker in Design Space, I will link that video in the description. Alright, so now it's time to cut everything with my Cricut. This project is really simple. I just needed one square of the red vinyl. So I'm placing that on my mat and then scraping it down to make sure that it's flat. And then once my Cricut's done cutting, I'm going to weed it. Because the script font is still a little bit delicate, it's going to be difficult to weed on its own. So I'm going to use the reverse weeding technique, which is when you place your transfer tape over the entire piece of vinyl before weeding it, and you're going to scrape it on both sides as usual. And then when you take the backing off, you're going to have everything on the transfer tape already, and then you're going to weed it from there. So the design should stick to the transfer tape as you are reverse weeding, and it just makes it really easy to work with very thin or delicate text that rip easily. So here it is. Now it's already on the transfer tape, so I'm just going to apply that directly to my Stanley. I didn't really prep the Stanley at all. I was kind of worried about ruining it. I don't know how that works. So I just placed it on there and kind of measured to make sure that it was in the middle and didn't look off center. I'm scraping it and it's not really sticking that well. So this is another tip. If you use a hairdryer on your vinyl when you're applying it, it makes it stick a lot better. So I just heated it with my hairdryer for a few seconds, and then I scraped it again, and then I let it cool a little bit, and it came off really easily. And then I'm just doing the same thing with the other side. And that's it. This is what it looks like. And I hope that she loves it. I'm so excited to give it to her. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you want to see more crafting content from me, just leave a like and subscribe to my channel so you'll be notified when I post new videos. Bye!